Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwood, joined by Michael Savko. You've incorporated some different components for your stair assembly. I'm seeing box knoll, I'm seeing a handrail that can go from contemporary to country to Craftsman. And then you introduced a metal element in your balusters. A nice paint stain combination, white oak stair treads, painted wainscot. And when it comes together in this balcony area, as it does going down the stairs, it looks phenomenal.
Yeah, it does.
That was your idea, right?
Well, I can't take full credit. I feel like this setup for the box knoll was selected because of the way that they decided to trim out their windows and doors. It's not a very standard style that we see, more the modern Craftsman style where it's just, not much of a profile to it. They went for a lot of different elements with their trim package. And so it made sense that this box knoll would be appropriate, offering that modern handrail that kind of pulls some of the squared elements of that box knoll to bring it all together.
Yeah, and having heard you say that, and I look up at this bedroom doorway, you've extended these pediment capitals across all of the doors, all of the windows, and that transfers right down to this top neck section.
Absolutely.
Of the box.
Yeah, this here kind of mimics the crown that's at the very top of the trim. This here mimics the scribe that's right below the head detail so it fits very well with what was selected in the rest of the home.
You take the stairway and you treat it like the nucleus of the house. And you've accomplished that here. And you have your white oak component that you've taken throughout the house in the form of beams or coffered ceiling. Then you have your paint component, which a lot of the woodwork and some of the doors are painted. You introduce that accent of the black iron baluster that carries through with all of the hardware package.
Absolutely.
Well done.
Thank you.
Folks, stick around for another shop talk coming at you soon.